Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Alfairuz Rusyaidi with student ID number 2511012022. In this video, I will discuss the electronics industry, focusing on a comparison between the electronics industries in Indonesia and Tanzania. The electronics industry plays an important role in modern economic development. It supports technological innovation, creates job opportunities, and strengthens national competitiveness. Throughout this video, I aim to explain how the electronics industry has developed in both countries, what distinguishes them, and why this sector is important for their long-term economic growth. First, I will explain the electronics industry in Indonesia. Indonesia's electronic industry has been growing rapidly since the 1990s. The industry mainly focuses on producing television, smartphones, and home appliances, which are still the main products today. The major industrial centers are located in Jakarta, Batam, Bekasi, and Surabaya. In these areas, many local and foreign companies operate and contribute to industrial growth. Examples of local companies include Polytron, while foreign companies such as LG and Samsung have invested heavily in Indonesia. Their presence has created many job opportunities and increased domestic production capacity. The Indonesian government strongly supports this sector through the Making Indonesia 4.0 program, which aims to modernize industries and promote digital transformation. As a result, the electronics industry plays an important role in job creation, attracting foreign investment, and strengthening Indonesia's position in the Southeast Asian electronics market. Next, I will discuss the electronics industry in Tanzania. Compared to Indonesia, Tanzania's electronic industry began to develop much later, mainly in the 2010s. The industry primarily focused on assembling and repairing electronics products rather than large-scale manufacturing. Most electronic products in Tanzania are still imported from China and India. However, local companies and small startups have started assembling solar panels, batteries, and mobile phones. The Tanzanian government supports technological development through technology hubs located in Dar es Salaam and Arusha. One well-known initiative is Silicon Dar es Salaam, which aims to encourage innovation and technological self-reliance. Although Tanzania still faces challenges such as limited infrastructure and shortage of skilled labor, the country continues to expand its industrial capacity and technological foundation. Next, benefits and goals of the electronics industry in both countries. In Indonesia, the main benefits include creating employment opportunities, increasing export, supporting the growth of the digital economy. The main goals of Indonesia are to become a manufacturing hub in Southeast Asia and to develop high technology local brands that can compete globally. Meanwhile, in Tanzania, the benefits of the electronics industry include providing job opportunities, supporting renewable energy development, expanding access to electronics products. The main goals of Tanzania are to reduce import dependency and to build local technological innovation capacity. Next, similarities and difference between the electronics industries in Indonesia and Tanzania. In terms of development level, Indonesia has advanced manufacturing capabilities, while Tanzania is still in the developing and assembling stage. Indonesia main products are television, smartphones, and home appliances, whereas Tanzania focus more on solar products and, and basic electronics. Regarding foreign investment, Indonesia receives high levels of investment from countries such as Japan, South Korea, and China, while Tanzania receives moderate investment mainly from China and India. However, both countries share a similar goal, which is to strengthen local production and reduce dependence on imports. 5W plus 1 heads comparison of electronics industry in Indonesia and Tanzania. Who is involved in the electronics industry? In Indonesia, the industry involves large local and multinational companies such as Polytron, LG, and Samsung, supported by strong government policies. In Tanzania, the industry mainly involves small firms, startups, and government support program. What products are produced? Indonesia produces consumer electronics such as television, smartphones, and home appliances on a large manufacturing scale. Tanzania focuses on assembling basic electronics, including solar panels, batteries, and mobile devices. Where is the industry located? In Indonesia, the electronics industry is concentrated in major industrial areas such as Java Island, Batam, and Surabaya. In Tanzania, the industry is mainly located in Dar es Salaam and Arusha. When did the industry develop? Indonesia's electronics industry has grown since the 1990s and continues to expand today. Tanzania electronics industry started developing in the 2010s. Why is the electronics industry important? For Indonesia, the industry is important for job creation, attracting foreign investment, and increasing export. For Tanzania, it is important to support technological development and reduce import dependence. How do the government support the industry? The Indonesian government support the industry through the Making Indonesia 4.0 program and investment incentives. The Tanzanian government supports the industry through training programs, technology hubs, and industrial developments initiative. In conclusion, the electronics industry plays a crucial role in economic development in both countries. Indonesia demonstrates strong capabilities in manufacturing and export-oriented production, while Tanzania shows significant potential in developing local technology and renewable energy solutions. With the right strategies and continuous government support, the electronics industry can become a key driver of sustainable and inclusive economic growth. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.